PE ratios. Every finance article throws them around like they're obvious, but what does a justified PE even mean? Is Heineken's PE of 45 fair? Fair? In finance, fair is code for let's argue about math. Luckily, the Gordon growth model gives us a way to fight back. Hold up. Why are we suddenly talking about dividends? I thought this was about earnings. Because dividends come from earnings. A company like Heineken reinvests part of its profits, that's B, and pays out the rest. So the payout ratio, 1 minus B, ties it all together. Okay, but R minus G looks like a discount rate minus growth. Why is that in the denominator? Think of it like a risk premium for growth. If Heineken's growth G gets too close to its required return R, this denominator shrinks and the PE explodes. So a tiny change in growth assumptions can make PE ratios swing wildly? Exactly. That's why analysts obsess over plausible growth rates. Speaking of which, enough theory, let's put Heineken to the test. Data time. Dividend equals 1.2. Example. So payout ratio 1 minus B, 1.20 divided by 1.74 is approximately 0.69. But Heineken's actual trailing PE is 45.4. So the market's assuming slightly less growth than our model or pricing in more risk. Maybe inflation's hitting beer demand or investors want a higher R. The model says it's nearly fairly valued, but that 3.5% growth is doing heavy lifting. So a justified PE is really just a sanity check? Exactly. It's asking, does Heineken's PE of 45 make sense for its fundamentals? Or is the market tipsy? Pun intended. But what if the model is wrong? What if Heineken's growth slows? Then our PE craters. Drop G to 2%, and the justified trading PE falls to 35. That's the danger of high PE stocks. They're growth stories.